All right, so a few other things about deadly rope. So with the scorecard, okay, when you're keeping track of where they're at, okay, you can use whatever tally system works best for you, okay? Some of you, it's 2 reps, you put an X, you put a good, whatever, okay? What scoring needs from you, they need to know where their last completed reps were, okay? So say they got to round 5, and they completed 2 ropes, and that was it. What you would put in that box at 5 under rope climbs would be a 2, the number 2, circled. Circling it means that was the last thing they completed. Okay? If they did 3 deadlifts in the 4th round and that's where they finished, you would put a 3 in that 4th round for deadlifts and circle it. Okay? That lets them know where that athlete finished. Okay? You need to circle a numeric number. They do not circle an X. It means nothing to them. Don't circle a check mark. Don't circle tally marks. Write the number for that part. Finish time. If they didn't finish, put the time cap. Okay? So on this one, if they didn't finish, you put 10 minutes in there. Okay? They will do the math. You do not need to do the math. Okay? Don't try and figure out how many reps they did and think you're helping scoring. They ask that you do not do that. Nope. You just put the time cap. If you have circled the number where they finished and put time cap, they take that as assumed the athlete did not finish. Because otherwise they should have a different number in there than the time cap because they will have reached their finish mat as well. So if they didn't reach the finish mat, they did everything else but didn't reach the finish mat, time cap. Okay? Circle, finish mat. So basically, for everybody, avoid using an X as your marker of choice. Find something else that you can use. X does not mark the spot for scoring. All right? Any other questions about deadly ropes? With community teams of 4. Yes, Susan?
So, again, the finish mat equals 1 rep. So if they get all 8 burpees, they don't get to the mat.
So what Alicia said, they did 8 burpees, circle it, and time cap in the box.
Okay.
Yep, they didn't finish the workout, so they time capped. What was the last completed rep? 8 burpees.
And I know you talked about them having to move their deadlift bar after the burpees. If they don't, they end up doing a rope climb. That's not going to count.
Ropes don't count. You just stand there by the bar waiting for them. They'll come back. Yeah, you're waiting for them to complete the next thing. Move the bar. I mean, you can yell at them, obviously, like, hey, hello, come here, move this. But at some point, they'll realize you're not there counting for them anymore. They'll come back. Okay.
So when they get the finish mat and they get a rep for that, in that big rectangular thing, you put a 1 and a circle on it?
You just write time. It's implied. It's implied. If you put a time that is below the time cap, you're basically saying they hit the time cap. Amy.
If there is an opportunity, like what we did at Cold War, where scoring actually put up an example of
We will have all of those in that hallway.
to like refresh our memory.
Yeah, we'll have a how to fill out the scorecard. We'll have a sample scorecard filled out, taped to the wall each day for those workouts that are going to be happening, and that'll be in both buildings. And Amy Durkis or Susan Gilson, the ladies in the hallway behind the curtain, they will be able to answer questions for you as well. They will be meeting with scoring and making sure that everything is filled out correctly. Yes? No, yeah. So you don't, in this workout, like a sprint workout like this, hand in the air is not vital. Like you have 2 rope climbs. No kidding. No, you did 1. No kidding. But when they get to the burpees, especially in the last round, because that's kind of the fastest point or the most important point. People want to know who's closer at the end because they're going to see where the bar is. They're going to know who's in that final round of their workout. Have the hand up for that. But if there's only 4 deadlifts, don't worry about it.
It starts less than like 5 or less already. Don't worry about it.
Yeah. Unless we specify other words for some reason, like, hey, people on the internet are having an issue, something. We'll let you know. But yeah. So for this workout, you'd only use your hand for the burpees. Good question. Let's move on to community teams.
Just a comment, that gray box where it says remaining reps, final score, that's just scoring purposes only. So,
It's not great on that one, but if you go to community teams, you'll see it. Yeah, you'll see a gray box, the community teams. See where it says reps remaining final time score? You do not touch that. Scoring will find your ID number and hunt you down. All right, so community teams, same thing again. Athlete 1, so the males will go first. Their bar is going to be out there. Okay? They're going to be moving down the floor away from the rig with their bar. Okay? That's why the males go first. They're each doing 3 rounds. So male 1 will move his bar 3 sections. It will get left there. Because then the next athlete, hang on a second, that might have changed last night. Sorry. We changed a lot of things last night.
So out of this community team, again, 2 males and 2 females are participating.
Yes.
just their number. If for your own purposes, you want to circle the athletes on the top that are competing, that's good. We would really support that. Yeah, we would support that across the board for community teams, just circle the athletes.
It's super simple. You got their names, as you can see. There's a sample there of a team. Hey, Brittany, Shannon, Matt, and Josh are competing. Underline, 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 underline. Cool. Just circle their numbers, whatever. That shows that those 4 athletes are competing. Okay, that's fine. Like I said, if it doesn't have a spot to write their athlete number, it's not necessary. So the males will go first on this workout. Okay. Okay. Same thing. They're only doing 3 rounds each. So one male will do 3 rounds of this workout by himself. 2 rope climbs, 4 deadlifts, 6 burpees. 6 burpees, not 8. Okay. Finishes his last one. He'll go land on the starting mat. As soon as he hits that starting mat, next athlete can start climbing the rope. Okay. You do not have to run with the athlete all the way down to the starting mat to make sure they hit it. You will be able